Referral told you that you could earn over than 2,000 bucks just by telling an AI build your website for you. So this is the website I built using the Agent AI, and honestly, it's a really cool tool for boosting creativity. It's inspired by oblique strategies and helps you break creative blocks with just one click. If you want to try it, I'll share with you the links below. And in this video, I'll show you how to build a site like this, or maybe even better, using just one prompt. So if you want to try yourself, just type Abacus AI, click on the first result, get started, sync up with your Google account, and enter your payment detail, or you can use my referral link if you want to support me. Once you finish syncing up for Abacus, you will land to the dashboard. Then first thing you do is click on task, then create a new one and choose Deep Agent. You will see a space where you can paste your prompt. In my case, I used the prompt generated area with the Abacus ChatGPT LM. After that, just hit generate. When I do that, Deep Agent asks a few follow-up questions like whether I want to add music files or details about website and card design. So I'll upload my music, answer the question, and then I click generate again to let AI start building the website. It's take a few minutes, so I'll grab a coffee while it's work in the background. By the way, if you would like a full deep dive video about the platform, let me know in the comment and I can make one. For now, I'm just walking you through the basic and the rest is up to your creativity. The agent is working on the site right now, so I'll come back when it's done. The website is finally done generating, so let's take a look at it. As you can see, it's fully built and ready to use, and you can preview everything right here inside the preview panel. The card is already working and even includes the oblique strategies card I asked for. You can also preview how the website looks on mobile and desktop. Now the next step is to actually publish it. When you click on deploy, you'll get three options. The first one, Abacus AI domain. This one is perfect if you don't have your own domain yet. The second option, custom domain name, if you already own a domain name and want to connect it with the website. You can choose the third option if you already have a main website and want this new one to live under a subdomain. So if you don't own a domain yet, just pick the first option, type your site name, click deploy, and that's it. Your website is now public. When it's deployed, just copy the URL, open a new tab and paste it in the search bar. Enter and you will see the live version of your site. And that's the whole process. Your website is now online and ready to use. Now about the 2,000 bucks, I mentioned it at the start of the video. Here is how it's works. Inside the Deep Agent dashboard, just click on the competition tab. That page explains everything about the weekly contest. The first time you open it, you will see a button to join the competition. I've already joined it, so it doesn't show for me anymore. But for you, it will be right there. Just click once and you're in. There is one winner every week and you can actually see the past winning website listed on the page. Once you've joined the competition and create your website, you'll notice three options and one of them will be submit to contest. That option only appears after you officially join. So all you have to do is click submit contest button. Once you do that, a confirmation window will pop up telling you now that your website has been entered. Just click confirm and that's it. You're officially in. Congratulations. Now if you think you can build a website that's even better than the one I just showed you, this is a great chance to join. There is not a lot of competition right now, which is mean your chances are higher. And even you're complete beginner, it's still worth trying. The experience alone is valuable. And who knows, you may surprise yourself.